The day that an automation sends out a voice note and it sounds like and then you buy from that, that is when literally humans have become extinct. We're emotional beings, you know?
Yeah, and it's a big separate, and it saves a lot of time as well.
Yeah, Amy, you've been killing it with the voice notes. How has your experience been?
That even with the people that are saying no, you know, they just love hearing back from me. And I've been doing videos as well back to the no people, and that's bringing them closer, and often they're following me after they were pissed off at me. Trying to tell them something. The first day that I had that happen, I was like, I'm scared. And then I was like, oh wait, just be a human being, Amy.
No, that's a great point. Like yesterday, just for example, we did our strategy, but in the physical, right? So we went into a busy part of the city, and we just wanted to like go out there and ask a few questions, right, as far as lead generation. But like a lot of times when we were asking, the question we were asking is like, do you know what lead generation means, right? And a lot of times we were getting no, right? So instead of us just walking away, we just had to word it differently. So instead of that, then I was like, you know, if you're a business owner and, you know, a lead comes in, do you know what that means? So just saying it, and then they're like, oh yeah. And they're like, yeah, I'm a business owner. So they didn't get it the first time because maybe the way it was said, or maybe they were skeptical. Yeah. But the moment that and even it happens on the digital, when you say it a different way, or now you're showing up through voice note, or you're creating a video, you know, it just like will punch through that wall that they may have up because there's a lot of automations out there. And then just like you mentioned, now they're like, yeah, I'm interested.
Yeah, and you guys are all very awesome people. So for you to not show your awesome side, it's kind of like a disservice for them.